Here is a boy in the jungle. He is wearing jeans and a bright red jacket.
In the jungle, there are so many animals all around him.
I love animals.
The boy shares his orange juice with the monkey.
Monkey likes orange juice.
In the quiet jungle, the boy finds a friendly jellyfish swimming.
Wow, a jellyfish.
The boy shares some jam with his new jellyfish friend.
The jellyfish likes the jam.
It's time to leave. The boy waves goodbye to all his jungle friends.
Goodbye, jungle animals.
Let's say the sound in jungle, jacket, jeans, juice, jellyfish, jam. Jungle. Jungle. Jacket. Jacket. Jeans. Jeans. Juice. Juice. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jam. Jam.